Not all floor scrubbers are created equal. Some struggle with tough messes and battery life, while one standout machine makes deep cleaning almost effortless. Stay tuned as we reveal the 5 best floor scrubbers of 2026. Number 1. Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. Quick Shine Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner is designed for hardwood, laminate, luxury vinyl, tile, and stone, using a ready-to-use formula that cleans, shines, and restores without leaving sticky residue behind. Its pH-neutral formula helps protect floor finishes while removing dirt and scuffs, making it a safe and effective choice for maintaining the natural look and longevity of your flooring. It's easy to apply with a spray or damp mop, requires no rinsing, and is free from harsh chemicals like ammonia and formaldehyde, making it suitable for regular household use. With consistent use, it helps preserve floor appearance over time, offering a balance of cleaning power and surface care that homeowners can rely on for everyday maintenance. Clean and shine in one step? That's a total time saver for busy homes. Number 2. Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner features a water-based, ready-to-use formula designed specifically for sealed hardwood floors, effectively removing dust, dirt, and grime without leaving dulling residue or streaks behind. Its pH-neutral solution is safe for wood finishes, helping preserve the floor's natural look while minimizing long-term wear, making it a reliable choice for regular maintenance in busy households. The fast-drying formula works well with spray mops and requires no rinsing, while being certified for safer indoor air quality with low VOC emissions, ideal for everyday use. Trusted by professionals, it delivers consistent results over time, helping extend the life of hardwood floors while maintaining their shine without buildup or harsh chemical exposure. That's exactly what hardwood floors need: clean, safe, and streak-free every time. Number 3. Roborock Dyad. The Roborock Dyad is a cordless wet and dry vacuum that uses dual motorized rollers to simultaneously vacuum debris and wash floors, delivering a deeper clean on hard surfaces like tile and sealed wood. Its Dyad power system targets both wet spills and dry dirt in one pass, reducing cleaning time while maintaining consistent suction and water flow for efficient, thorough performance. With separate clean and dirty water tanks, self-cleaning rollers, and LED indicators, it's designed for easy maintenance and user-friendly operation during everyday cleaning tasks. Built for long-term convenience, it offers a practical solution for busy households, combining multiple cleaning steps into one streamlined process without sacrificing cleaning effectiveness or floor care. Vacuum and mop at the same time? That's a serious upgrade for cleaning efficiency.
Number 4. Rejuvenate All Floors Cleaner. Looking for an easy way to keep your floors spotless and shining? Today, we're checking out a versatile cleaner designed to handle multiple floor types without complicated steps or harsh effort. Rejuvenate All Floors Cleaner is formulated for use on hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and more, featuring a ready-to-use solution that cleans dirt, grime, and everyday messes without leaving dull residue behind. Its pH-balanced, residue-free formula helps maintain floor finish while providing a streak-free clean, making it a reliable choice for regular maintenance without damaging sealed surfaces or requiring rinsing afterward. The easy spray and mop application saves time during cleaning routines, and it's compatible with most microfiber mops, making it convenient for quick touch-ups or full home cleaning sessions anytime. If you want a simple, effective solution to keep your floors clean and looking their best, this is definitely worth considering for your everyday cleaning routine.
Number 5. Dyson Wash G1. Keeping hard floors clean doesn't have to be a chore. Today, we're exploring a modern wet cleaning solution designed to tackle everyday messes with precision, convenience, and minimal effort. The Dyson Wash G1 is a dedicated wet floor cleaner featuring dual motorized rollers, separate clean and dirty water tanks, and a cordless design that washes hard floors efficiently without traditional mopping methods. Its controlled hydration system evenly distributes clean water while extracting dirty liquid in real time, helping prevent streaks and ensuring a hygienic clean across sealed surfaces like tile, vinyl, and hardwood floors. With easy maintenance features like self-cleaning cycles and removable rollers, it simplifies post-cleanup tasks while offering intuitive controls that make daily floor care faster and more manageable for busy households. Wait, so it washes and removes dirty water at the same time? That's next-level cleaning. No more pushing dirty water around your floors. Why spend hours scrubbing floors by hand when the right machine can do the hard work for you? Check the links below and choose the floor scrubber that fits your home perfectly.